Get those likes up, ladies and gentlemen. Timer's ticking. Last chance to hit those likes. Let's get the party started.
Hey, Melissa. Hey, Melissa. I just shorted Bitcoin. I just shorted Bitcoin. And I'm up huge. I'm up huge. You'll never believe it. I'm about to get 10 pair of shoes. I just 100x YOLO shorted. Wait, you'll come over tonight? You're gonna come over tonight? Oh my, I'm so happy you made my night. You're gonna come over? Thank you, Melissa. Thank you. Thank you.
Let's jump into the
I guess
Bitcoin
Java's
show.
Java's gonna be getting more action than I am tonight. Jeez, holy crap! Java's gonna be getting more action than I am. I don't have any glazed on my throat. Not on my throat. on my beard. What's going on, guys? Hope you guys had a fantastic Friday. It is Friday. It's the freaking weekend. I'm ready to have some fun this freaking weekend. I don't know about you, but let's first touch on the tough subject of Bitcoin having a pretty good size drop today, man. Pretty good size drop. Should we be worried? Should we be panic selling our crypto, right?
Everybody panic, we're going to zero.
Should we sell the bottom?
I'm gonna buy the top and I'm gonna sell the bottom, guys.
Well, the answer is simply...
Nope.
All right? You guys know how it is. All right, so let's actually go to the daily. What did Bitcoin do today? And why did I say, Bitcoin dropped, but it was a perfect bounce? Ding, ding, ding. Chicken wings for dinner. Tofu. Tofu if you're vegan, okay? We came right back down and back tested, all right, on the non-log scale, this upwards trending support line, which we've been talking about, guys. We had 1 touch, we had 2 touches, we had 3 touches, and we just came back down and wicked off of it again for a 4th time, okay? That's perfect. Why is that so good? Well, not only did we wick off the bottom of the trend line, but we were also still sitting inside our wedge, nice and comfily sitting inside our wedge. Yes, we dipped below it, but like we've always said, that was always a possibility that Bitcoin could wick below the wedge. Why? Because this $53,000 level was below the wedge, right? This previous high was below the wedge. And that's exactly what happened. But now we're sitting nice and comfy back in the wedge. And I want to state again, guys, right? I want to state again that back down here, Bitcoin did a pretty similar thing where it did come back down and it did come back down and test this trend line twice. Now, are we going to come back down and test it again, maybe after a retrace? I don't necessarily think so. I think, I think everything is fine, okay? Everything is fine, but we got to continue to watch. As long as we hold these 2 trend lines, I am looking fine for Bitcoin, right? Looking fine. It's looking exactly like it has in these past 2, where it got pretty close to the end and then it moved up eventually. Now we're going to hope that we do get that, ultimately, right? That W reversal back to the upside off. Ding, 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 chicken wings for dinner, tofu if you're vegan, the back test of the previous high from September. The question is, did we just need a wick to it? Or are we going to need to consolidate here for a little bit before moving up? I think that's the ultimate question here. Are we going to consolidate or are we just going to bounce up and go to the moon? Well, I think we all want to bounce up and go to the moon. I think we're all sick of something. But like we did state yesterday, guys, we were going to get squeezed. This is what we were talking about yesterday. We were going to get squeezed between these two trend lines right here. What happened? Well, hold on. What happened? Oh, Java, that's disgusting, man. That's absolutely disgusting. How could you do that to me right now? No, that's not what I meant to press. I meant to press this. We came back down and we got stuck and boom, we moved to the downside. We thought that we were going to get a big move either way. It's either we were going to drop below here, okay, or we were going to move up pretty fast. Well, we decided to go the downwards route. We decided to come back down and test the bottom again, which, you know, it's not what we wanted. It's not what we wanted, but we always talk about that, how it was a possibility. So there you go, man. There you go. Bitcoin did what we didn't want it to do, but we always knew it was an option.
Sold everything for fiat emu. Roll of paper, hooray.
What's up, Charles? Sold everything for fiat Inu? Oh, okay. Charles panic sold, guys. Charles is SpongeBob. Everyone give Charles a round of applause for being SpongeBob. There you go, Charles. Love you, man. Love you, Charles. All right, anyways, let's go to, not really too much to, I mean, the 4 hour is pretty similar to the hourly. I wanted to touch on the hourly real quick. We are trying to hold this previous low from November 28th. We are trying to hold that, okay? Now, we haven't done the best job at getting it moved to the upside here. Let's see what the hourly closes at. Let me actually fix the line here. Actually fix this, guys, so it's the accurate time. You guys are like, Jordan, it's not the close in like 30 minutes or whatever. Guys, don't give up on your positions. Exactly, Sky. Exactly, right? Exactly. It's like an egg. You guys ever see that thing? Like egg, exactly. Like it's like an egg. I don't know why I think that's awesome, but there we go. But anyways, yeah, we're trying to hold that previous low. If that breaks, well, we probably gonna get a move back down to 52.9. Where we do have that previous high back here from September. So those are the two levels I'm watching like right now. Now, what we can say is the hourly is a little bit cooked, right? The hourly is a little bit cooked. So either way, I do think we're going to get some type of retracement here. What's up, Sky? Happy freaking Friday, man. Happy freaking cheers to the freaking weekend, bro. I'm getting some beers tonight. I'm getting some beers. We're drinking some beers up in here in Boston. Some beers. And yeah, we're going to go from there. But anyways, I'm expecting some type of retrace, even if it doesn't like moon to the upside. I mean, the hourly is a little bit cooked. Okay, the hourly RSI is a little bit cooked. So I think either way, we get some type of retrace. Where do we retrace to is the question. I mean, I guess we could take our swing high to swing low here and kind of look at where some possibilities would be for a type of reversal. Let's actually bring this down and see what we got going on. So just looking at these positions, I think this 618 makes some sense if we were to retrace. It has some previous highs right at that level looking left. So I think the 618 would make a lot of sense there. Like 55.3 is a possible retracement. And then hopefully we can get back above that. We don't confirm that back as resistance, right? But I think you'll see some type of retracement and then, you know, resetting the hourly RSI and then kind of deciding, which way do we want to go now? Do we want to continue up or do we want to get rejected and come back down and test these levels again? That is thy question here in the short term. Obviously, after a big move down, you're going to need some type of retrace. The 4 hour, I don't think has... Yeah, the 4 hour wasn't able to make any divergence. And that's why I was like, I wish we closed... I know you guys are saying, Jordan, why do you say that? I wish we closed a little bit lower here, but that's fine. That's fine. Ultimately, it doesn't have to have divergence. But, I mean, it's kind of the same thing, right? The 4 hour technically has a little bit more room to run down, but, you know, does it need to? Well, not if the hourly's cooked. If the hourly's cooked, you might see a little bit of retracement, right? Ecom said, I love you, Fibonacci. Fibonacci. I call it the Fibonacci now. I like the Fibonacci. The Fibonacci is cool, but you call it a Fibonacci, you're the real homie, right? You're the real homie. It's a Fibonacci. The daily, what I'm kind of liking about the daily here is, guys, if we actually look back in the past, the last two times that Bitcoin did get a bounce on our last two bottoms, okay, was when it got down to this level on the RSI, okay, this level right here. You can see that we got a bounce right here on July 22nd, right at that level. You can see right here on September 21st, we got a bounce off that level. Now we're not quite at that level yet. So what can that tell us? Will we get a little bit lower, or are we close enough where Bitcoin can just get a reversal? That's the question here. I mean, we're pretty close, right? I mean, I guess we could squeak up the line a little bit like Savvy, you know?
Nothing has changed.
We can kind of squeak up that line just a tad to make it fit our narrative. We could certainly do that. I mean, I'm definitely about that life. If you guys are about that life, you guys about that life? squeaking that line up a little bit. Let me know in the chat if you're about that life. But yeah, I mean, we're pretty close. We're pretty close. Even if we do go a little bit lower, it's not too much lower, just based off where we are in the past. Doesn't mean we can't go lower, right? I mean, it's just kind of something I'm looking at. But that's what I'm seeing here on the relative daily. And, like we said, we probably will get a retracement here. The question is, can we now, just like this red box up here, can we now get back above this green box? Or is this green box now going to act as resistance, right? I guess we can turn it red now because it's probably going to end up being some resistance. Now can we get back over this red box? That'll be the ultimate question here for Bitcoin when we do get this retrace, okay? Holy moly, look at Bitcoin pump. I guess it's trying to move up a little bit. I mean, we're kind of expecting this. We're expecting this. We're expecting a little bit of a retracement here. The question is, can we get a sustained retracement? That is the question here for us fellas, okay? That is the question here for us fellas. I don't know. I feel kind of dirty playing the pump song. Even if Bitcoin does pump here, I'm feeling kind of dirty playing this pump song because we dumped so much today. It doesn't even feel like a pump. It just feels like we're retracing. That's just me though. What do you guys think about that?
Smash the algorithm. Remember, scared money don't make money. Oh.
Exactly, VGH. Scare money don't make no money. Scare money don't make no money. Come on, you. I forget what the words are, but I get it. Actually, I'm gonna play that tonight. That song gets me hyped. I don't know about you guys. Like for anything, not even about like if I'm trading or anything, just about in anything like that. That song gets me so hyped. Well, our Head and Shoulders. We can probably throw this in the trash. So let's make this a little bit smaller. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna throw our Head and Shoulders in the trash, guys. Let's actually make our trash again. Ready? Boop, 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 boop. Oh, this is a thick boy right here. This thing's thick. Look at how thick this thing is. Holy crap. I don't even know if that would be, let's label it real quick. We're going to label trash. T-R-A-S-H. Okay, trash. Just so everyone knows that it's trash and doesn't get any dirty things. All right, now let's take our Head and Shoulders pattern. All right, so that's in the trash. Yeah, I mean, we got to do our obligatory throw our pattern in the trash and hope we get some other type of trash or other type of pattern here. But yeah, so that's that. We got that thrown away. BTC does not deserve the pump song. I agree, Rodney. That's why I feel kind of dirty playing it. I can't do it, man. I just can't do it at this point. Now, what I like here on the weekly, guys. What I like here on the weekly, Agreed. What I like here in the weekly is this. And this is also why I love the price action that we're getting for Bitcoin. You might be saying, Jordan, why the heck do you like the price action for Bitcoin right now? The price action look like it frickin' sucks. The price action frickin' sucks, bro. That's what you're probably saying to me right now. Okay? Now, why I say that is because the dip in September, obviously, like we said, looks very, very familiar to this dip. What have we said? Well, not basically what I've said, but the 20-week EMA and the 20-week SMA was where we obviously came right back down to and tested on the previous dip back in September, obviously getting the bounce right off the 20-week SMA, okay? Which is the green one here. What did we just do today? Well, I'll let you guys simmer on it for a second. Warning, shots fired. Well, we just came back down and tested, ding, 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 the 20-week SMA, all right? So now we get that reversal just like we did in September, all right? And also, where do we wick to as well? Once again, ding, 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 chicken wings for dinner, tofu if you're vegan. We came right back down and tested the weekly highs from back in September as well. The close highs, right? The close highs. Absolutely perfectly. Absolutely perfectly. So I like it. I like it. Now we just need to get the juice for Bitcoin to reverse. But like we've said, guys, it doesn't have to happen today. It doesn't have to happen tomorrow. It doesn't have to happen Sunday. You can see back here in September, we had this dip, and it wasn't until the following week where we started to absolutely pump. So this week could just stay like this, right? We could stay in this general range. You know, maybe a little higher, maybe a little lower, whatever. And then next week, we might get that reverse to the upside if it was anything like this. But let's remain calm, right? The price structure is still there, okay?
Rant alert.
Until the price structure is broken, until the previous high is broken on a close, I think we need to do some komasa. We need to chill. We need to relax. We need to think about what we're doing here, and we need to have some patience. Now, if you want to sell all your coins into stable coins, well, be my guest, okay? Be my guest. But like we always say, guys, do not be freaking SpongeBob. I say it every time. Do not be SpongeBob, okay? You might get lucky every once in a while if you end up selling what you think is going to go lower. But typically, that does not work out over the long run, okay? Now, it doesn't mean that if you sell right now, it doesn't mean this can't go lower. Bitcoin does whatever it freaking wants to do. But I'm just going based off my experience that it's not a good time to sell at the bottom, or quote unquote the bottom. We don't know what the bottom is, but quote unquote a support level, right? Selling supports is dumb. And yeah, don't be SpongeBob, bro. Don't be freaking SpongeBob.
Rant alert.
If you want to be SpongeBob, go watch Savvy, go watch Market Makers, and they'll give you the hopium that it's going to go lower, okay? You ain't going to get that here. You ain't going to get that here, all right? Go get that hopium somewhere else, all right? Somewhere else. They don't bounce. I see 12.5 or 12.6 is decision time, said Denise. We'll see, Denise. We'll see, Denise. I mean, what is that? It's Sunday. Sunday can sometimes be that decision time. We've seen some pretty big moves on Sundays, I feel like, lately. But, yeah, nevertheless, that's where we're watching. The bottom is 0, said CH. CH, I don't want to hear from you, brother. I don't want to hear from you, man. Not today, dude. Not today. Today's not the day for your 0 calls, okay? Today's not the day. The only thing pumping right now is Matic. So I feel like playing the pump song. Jeez, bro. I feel like playing the pump song right now because I'm there's a lot of negativity. So I'm playing the pump song from Matic. We can enjoy Matic. If you're in Matic, great. Matic is killing it. Here you go.
Rant alert.
Oh. Every time, man. Don't wanna party. No, but Matic's up about 8% today. Even though the market dipped, Matic decided to say,
Nope. 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 Nope.
Matic decided to say, no. Matic just decided to say, screw you, the rest of the market. Screw you, Bitcoin. You ain't taking me down, right? What's that song? I'm not going down with this ship. As a kid, I always used to thought it said the S-H-I-T. And I was like, Mom, this song's inappropriate. Every single time. But yeah, Matic's not going down with that shit, man. Matic went up and tested this previous high from May 27th, up at 241. Got a little bit of retracement, but guys, we're looking fine. We're looking fine. We broke this previous high from October 29th. We get a close above that. Perfect. I'm going to assume that you're probably going to have some bearish divergence. I can just tell by the price action. Let me see. Yeah, I mean, I could have seen that one coming. So you do have higher highs and lower highs, right? So you do have some technical bearish divergence. But here's the thing. Here is the thing. If Bitcoin can retrace here, maybe that gives Matic a little bit more juice to get a little bit higher in price action and bring up this RSI as well, right? It's obviously speculative, right? We need to see Bitcoin get some juice, bring up some alts with it. But nevertheless, Matic, 230, absolutely killing it today. Love it. Love me some Matic. And I think a lot of people own Matic too. If you guys own Matic in the chat, let me know by a raise your hands, man. How many guys own Matic in the chat? Let me know. If you don't own Matic, well, it is what it is. Oh, we got GS Turk. Jordan, remember me? I said 53K has to be retested 3 weeks ago, and your Moon Boy fans were laughing. Now who is laughing? Here we go. Here we go, man. Congrats to you, bro. You probably... Congrats to you, bro. You know, show him who's boss, man. Show him who's freaking boss, bro. That's you. Congrats, dude. Yeah, buddy. Wow, a lot of people own Matic. All right, cool. A lot of people own Matic. Anyways, let's go check ETH. ETH is kind of just doing ETH things, right? So ETH, in a nutshell here, I mean, ETH is, I mean, once again, just holding this previous high. Until ETH breaks this previous high, I don't think there's anything to be like, oh my gosh, ETH, oh my gosh, ETH is going to zero. Oh no, right? I don't think there's anything to worry about here. Previous high is just retesting. I mean, we tested it once, tested it twice. We actually didn't even come all the way back down. We actually made a higher low here as of right now, right? We don't know if the higher low is going to hold, right? We don't know if that higher low is ultimately going to hold here, but thank you, Carol, for becoming a member. Appreciate that, Carol. Appreciate you. Thanks for hanging out. I appreciate everyone who just hangs out, man. That's all I can ask for. You guys are freaking awesome every single day. I try to tell you guys a lot, but you guys are awesome every day. But anyways, previous high, flipping to support. You actually made a higher low here, which is awesome. Let's actually zoom in here a little bit. The 4 hour, not quite bullish divergence. It's a little bit off, right? I guess if you take it from this low, you could argue you do, but I don't think you can say that you do. But I'm liking the higher lows. Let's see if Bitcoin can get some juice and you can close this 4 hour like this. I mean, you might be making some type of bullish hammer on the 4 hour. That might get you a reversal back to the upside. Would like to get a little bit higher here, but ultimately, I don't think there's anything really to worry about here about ETH. I mean, ETH is just doing ETH things, right? It's down about 6% today. Bitcoin's down 5%. What's new? What's new in crypto land, man? What is new? All right, hold on. Let me just fix this, guys. Here we go. All right. Actually, real quick. I wanted to touch on the hourly. Sorry, actually not the hourly. The total market cap. All right. Once again, the total market cap tests this level again. Look at this, guys. We know we originally had our cup and handle pattern on the total market cap. We had our dedupe, and then we had our dedupe. Okay, we broke that dedupe, and then we came back, then deduped it again. Dedupe just means I don't know. You can make it seem like anything, but we retested the neckline, right? Previous resistance, and we just keep coming back down and tested as support. So the market structure is still there on the total market cap. I mean, pretty much on all coins. I mean, the market cap, I mean, the market structure is still there to be bullish. As long as you're holding that previous high and flipping it as support, all is good. We just want to continue to do so here. But yeah, I mean, ultimately, I don't think there's anything really going on here in total. You want to hope that you probably get some reversal. I mean, you could argue that this is some type of head and shoulders pattern. But as long as you hold this neckline here, sometimes, like we've said, these kind of head and shoulders patterns can lead to major runs to the upside if they get rejected, okay? Now, so far, so good. We came back down, tested the neckline, and got a bounce. The issue is, will we continue to get that bounce? If we do, you're probably going to see a nice reversal to the upside here. Thing I did want to check on is the weekly EMA. I want to check how the weekly EMA ribbon is on this. So it's coming up. We're letting that catch up to us nicely here. I mean, it's very, very nice. Very, very nice. And do we have to allow this to catch up to us and get a bounce off of it? Could be. And this is why I like this. Next week, when this moves up, this could be right here. And then the week could like come back down and wick to it again. And then boom, you could get that reversal to the upside. That's kind of what you did back here in September, right? You wicked to it, and then you got that reversal to the upside. So this is definitely something I'm watching here. We've held this the entire run, right? We've held this the entire run. We have not broken this all the way since April, right? Back test, back test. back test, back test, back test. Will we continue to hold that? That is the question. As long as we continue to do, I think all is good in the entirety of the crypto land, right? The entirety of the crypto land. So total's looking good. The stock market today, interesting enough, did come back down and wick to that 20, actually right to the 20 week, actually, which is interesting, 20 week EMA, which is the top of the EMA ribbon here in the weekly. So you can see the stock market loves to bounce off the top of this too, right? Loves to. Look at this. Bounce, 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 bounce. And now you're trying to get that bounce right off of it again, right? I mean, you keep doing it since August of 2020. Just consistently bouncing off the top of this. Will that happen again? You wick to it today. Literally today. Literally. Now you can do a couple weeks of kind of hovering above it, but let's see. Maybe that's a reversal point for the stock market. Could help out Bitcoin ultimately. It remains to be seen, right? It remains to be seen here on that. But that is that. DXY really hasn't been doing anything. I'm not going to spend too much time on this, but really hasn't been doing too much. Still trying to hold as resistance a lot of these previous lows, right? Support. All of these previous supports just trying to flip into resistance. It's not really getting the juice to get over it, but it could happen at any time, right? You can see that. I mean, each week is green, but it just doesn't have the juice to reclaim that level. So we'll see what happens with the DXY. It's a little bit too early to tell what's exactly going to happen there. Ultimately, the 4 hour telling us much, not really. So yeah, too early. Let's see. George? What are you guys saying in the chat? Pelagic said, I like the positivity, but we know where this is going. Pelagic, why are you being so negative today, bro? Why are you being so negative today, bro? What the heck is this? Pelagic, I love you, man. Why are we saying this? Why are we saying this? Look at Jordan being so positive. Look at him being so positive. We know where this is going. This is going to zero. Like, this is clearly going to zero. Look at how positive Jordan's being. Look at him. He's so positive with his smile and his backwards hat trying to be cool. Look at him in his backwards hat trying to be cool. He's so not cool. He's a loser. He's a loser. You're thinking Bitcoin's gonna bounce. Pelagic, why are you being so negative today, man? Holy crap. It's like this has never happened before, bro. It's like this has never happened before. Is this Jordan's channel too much hopium? I mean, I'm just telling you guys what the charts are telling me, man. I mean, we're literally just doing what we did in September. I think everyone's getting so negative right now. It's kind of funny. It is kind of funny how negative everyone's getting. It's doing the same thing we did in September, right? Until it stops doing that same exact thing, I don't think there's anything to worry about, man. I mean, it's a carbon copy of what happened back here. You know, people are literally getting so scared right now. So scared. I can't handle a dip. I've always said, guys, if you can't handle these dips, man, you would have never lasted any of other market. You guys would have sold Bitcoin at 2K in 2017. Like, holy crap, man. Like, all right. Listen up. We've had a 22% dip from the top here. 22% dip. And everyone's like crapping their pants, bro. If you guys were around back here, you guys would have never lasted 2 seconds. You guys would have panic selling your coins every single dip, bro. You would have panic sold here on a 37% dip. You would have panic sold here at a 38% dip. You would have panic sold here at a 28% dip. You would have panic sold here at a 34% dip. You would have panic sold here at 35% dip. You would have panic sold here at a 38% dip. I mean, yeah, this one's not as volatile, but I mean, you guys get my point. It's like, dude, you gotta have some. What do you like to call it, man? What do you like to call it? Hold up.
Let's go make some paper mache.
Like, dude, you guys, if you guys want to have the paper hands.
Let's go make some paper mache. Let's go make some paper mache.
You guys want to have some paper hands? Go for it, bro.
Man Jordan.
What's going on, Zayat? Appreciate you too, man. I appreciate you too, man. The balls. Martin said, I panic sell at 5% dips. My heart would stop beating with a 30%. Absolutely. Absolutely. The daily close. All right. The daily close.
Let's go make some paper mache.
I love that thing, man.
Let's go make some paper mache. Let's go make some paper mache.
That's my favorite thing. Oh, man. All right. All right. Anyways, on the daily chart, we did come back. We closed at about 53.6. Right, closed at 53.6. Slightly lower. We actually might have built some slight bullish divergence here on the daily, which I do like. I do like a little bit, just a tad, right? Just a tip, just the tip, as we would say. But yeah, lower lows on the daily. And then higher lows there as well. I'm not sure if it's going to be on the 4 hour, but let's check. Let's check. Actually, yeah. Slight bullish divergence there on the 4 hour too. It's very slight, bro. Like, very, very slight. You had slightly lower lows. And you had slightly higher lows. Very slight, like to the point where you have to use a magnifying glass to see it. So, it's there. It's there. It's just a matter of, is that going to be enough juice to bid us up to the upside? Very slight there. Like, that's some slight work, if you ask me. But we'll see what happens with Bitcoin, man. We'll see what happens with Bitcoin. Ultimately, we got to see what happens. If it dips more, then I'll sell. Pelajack, you know I'm just busting your balls, man. You know I'm just busting your balls. Even though I always bust people's balls, man. All right. All right, here comes Matic. Here comes Matic. Matic's still trying to go, man. Matic is still trying to go. Someone said check out Crow. Let me check out Crow real quick, and then we'll bust into some of the things in the chat here. What is this? Someone said Crow. Oh, Crow's at 63 cents. Crow, man. Crow's down 35% from its highs. Yeah, I mean, Crow just looks like to be in nice little wedgie, too. I don't know why I'm using this arrow. I kind of like it, actually, but that's okay. Lower highs, lower lows, right? I mean, it looks to be in some type of wedge formation as well. Got a little bit oversold there in the 4 hour. This could be enough juice to maybe push you back up. I mean, I like it. I like the formation there. I like the formation there on Crow. Matic top of the small time hill. But yeah, I mean, I like the formation there on Crow. It's just a matter of, can Bitcoin allow it to pump to the upside? Or is Bitcoin going to keep dragging these altcoins down? That's always the question in times like this, man. I mean, I would love to just say, yeah, Crow's going to pump straight back up to 90, whatever it went to, 98 cents or whatever. Because that's the technical target there, is the top. But we need Bitcoin to cooperate, all right? We need some cooperation from Captain Bitcoin here. Man, what's going down? What's going down up here? Bro made the cycle interesting with the arena buy. Tons of noobs going to see crypto is serious when the name changes. Oh, totally, man. That was huge. That was not only huge for Crow, but was huge for crypto in general. Why? Because, yeah, they're gonna see crypto.com. They're gonna use crypto.com. They're going to buy crypto on crypto.com. It's not just big for crypto. That's big for crypto. Not big for crypto.com. That's big for crypto in general, right? That's huge. That's huge. Uh-oh. Wait, let's check out the volume real quick, guys. Let's check out the volume real quick. Because how is the volume on this dump? All right, let's bring out Mike again. Let's bring out Mike, bro. Because once again, man, just like what the bears want to say when it's going up, there's no volume, right? Once again, here we are, sitting here. And guess what? We're moving down, and guess what? There's no volume! Hey, you stupid bears! You stupid bears! Get off my lawn! There's no volume!
Another day in crypto.
There's no volume! Get off my lawn, you stupid bears! Get off my lawn! It's the same volume that we've had this entire time! This is a fake out! This is a fake out! There's no volume! There's no volume, man. If the bears want to use the no volume argument, then us bulls can use the no argument too. That there's no freaking volume, bro. So there you go. Fire up and said, okay, I get the point. Mike has to say it like 3 times. It's not Mike unless he says it 3 times. You can't just say it 1 time, bro. You can't say it 1 time. All right. Anyways, let's go back here. Sky said, guys, don't give up your positions. Absolutely, man.
Strap up. We're going
Happy
to
Friday,
the moon.
guys.
Strap up. We're going to
Happy
the moon.
freaking Friday, bro. Cheers to the freaking weekend. Guys, by the way, let me actually just double check here because we had a little bit. I should be going up. There should be a video going up on George's channel tonight. Cryptos Are Us. Me doing some TA over there. Now, keep in mind, I made this video earlier today, but actually what's interesting, I made this video before the dump, but actually pretty much everything I said ended up playing out for every coin that I'm going to be talking about over there. So, which actually works out pretty well. But keep in mind, I did make that video before the dump happened, but I was expecting the dump at the time as the bearish scenario. So it actually played out pretty well, which is nice, which is really nice. All right, here comes Bitcoin. Here comes Bitcoin. VCH should smash the likes, make the algorithm happy. Okay, remember, scared money don't make no money. Scared money don't make no money, bro. Scared money don't make no money. Pores are us. Check VChain. 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 VChain.
Whales whale are now setting.
Show us your socks. Show us my socks. I'm actually not wearing any socks. I got some slippers on. You guys want to see my slippers? Sure. I mean, I'll show you. I show you guys everything. Not everything. Maybe some of you guys. I'm not gonna go there. I'm not gonna go there. But look at this. I got some slippers on tonight. I gotta change after this. I gotta change, and then kind of go from there, bro. All right, so VChain, or VChain, as we would say. VChain. Let's see. So swing low, swing high.
RMRK. How well?
Hey, I'm actually take it off log. These trend lines have been pretty perfect to take it off. Look at that, man. Look at that, bro. Oh my God.
Strap up. We're going to the moon.
Slatus loves shorts and slippers. Facts. I'm blinded by the whiteness. Skip leg workout? No, bro. You should be surprised, bro. I got the skinniest calves, man. I got the skinniest calves, bro. Dude, I could do calf raises every single day. My calf genetics are so bad, man. So bad.
Partnered with like a promising.
Leg day skipper. I don't skip leg day. I do leg day three times a week, actually. I do legs 3 times a week. To be honest, bro. To be honest. Let's see. So 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. Every single time you back tested this, it's only been 2 times before, but just like Bitcoin, you got a bounce off this, you got a bounce off this, and you got a bounce off this, right? So, you know, let's see what happens, right? Let's see what happens. But ultimately speaking, it's tough, bro. It's tough. Man, I mean, that's what we've done each time. if we actually look at the trend line on the RSI is actually pretty interesting too. Let's actually move this over here. Nah, let's move it over here. I don't know why I was deciding, like, should I move it to the right or should I move it to the left? You know what I mean? But if you look down here, you guys are killing me in the chat, bro. Yeah, but you also have that same kind of trend line coming up on the RSI too. Hopefully this can get you some nice move to the upside. Let's actually check out the weekly. Yeah, still in your weekly EMA ribbon. But see if you have any divergence here on the 4 hour. You do. You actually have nice bullish divergence here on the 4 hour. If you can get a bounce here off the trend line, that's going to be looking pretty juicy. You got higher lows, lower lows. I like this for reversal back to the upside, especially if Bitcoin can do it, which Bitcoin's trying to do it. Not the best. Not the best it's ever done, but it's trying to freaking do it. Turn around for a mega pump. Turn around for a mega pump. I could probably do that. Let's see. V-Chain. Bitcoin does not deserve the pump song, said Rodney. Dude, I completely agree. Bitcoin does not deserve the pump song whatsoever, man. Whatsoever. RMRK chart, my friend, been killing it. Kusama NFT chain, possible entry point. Kusama or RMRK. Let me see if it's on TradingView, man. It's, I was gonna say that just sounds like something that's not. You know, you hear a coin, guys, and it's like, you know, it just sounds like it's not on TradingView. That one sounds like it's not on TradingView, man. Yeah, I mean, this one's killing it, bro. I can't really do too much with this. I would say you're building some slight bearish divergence at the moment, but it's not confirmed until you stop the trend, right? You have lower highs on the RSI, higher highs in price action. It's not confirmed until ding, 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 you stop the trend. But as of right now, I think. Let me actually pull the fibs out. Yeah, you wicked perfectly off the 3.618 there. Right at about 69. Of course it's 69. Why wouldn't it be 69? Why wouldn't it be freaking 69? Okay? It's always 69. You know? Jordan! You can't talk about 69 on your stream. That's very inappropriate. We do not talk about inappropriate things in our household, Jordan. We do not talk about that. Do I have to come up there and spank you? Do I have to come up there and spank you? If you say 69 one more time in my household, you will not be allowed to live here, and I will come there and I will spank you. Okay? Do not say that in this household, Jordan. Very, very inappropriate. I understand you're running a stream. You have to say numbers, but do not say 69 again. Just say 68, Jordan. Or I will come up there and I will spank you. I will spank you. All right, Mom. Jeez. But yeah, 69. And then the next target, if you break that, is the 4236, upwards of 76 cents, bro. I mean, 76 cents. 76 bucks. 76 bucks would be that next target if that was to break at 68, I have to say, right? 68. I can't say 69 because I'm not an adult, apparently. I'm a child. I'm a child. Some of you guys probably think I'm a child, though. You know, based on how I act on stream. You know. Sergio said, Jordan, can you explain what 69 is? No. No. Let's just say it involves a giant green candle, okay? And a... No, we're not going to go here. We're not going to go here, man. All right. Anyways, let's move on before I get too in this. Carol, thanks again. Sky said, what's up with Contentos Coast? Can we take a look? Absolutely, Sky. Let's check out Contentos. Sky, hope you have a good weekend, man. Hope everyone has a good weekend. But look at Contentos, man. This thing's going absolutely nuts. Let's take swing low, swing high here as well. This thing's got, I mean, the daily RSI on this is at an 88, all right? Is at an 88. Man, it's at an 88. You might need to cool this off a little bit. Look at the 4 hour, 95. This is gonna cool off it here at some point. I don't know if some news came out on this. I'm gonna guess it did, that they make a pump like this. News can sometimes trump this, but man, this thing is absolutely launching. Absolutely launching. Let's see the 1 hour. 1 hour could make some bearish divergence there. I mean, this could be a point of a pullback just because the 1 hour is showing some divergence. The 4 hours at a 95. If you did come back down and test, I wouldn't be surprised if you came back down and tested the previous highs. If you came back down to like 5 cents, back tested, cooled off some of these indicators, and then moved to the upside, I think that's what makes the most sense here on Contentos. But yeah, I mean, this thing is killing it. Killing it, killing it, killing it. The eventual next target, even if it did retrace, would be upwards of 7.6 cents, ultimately. Now Bitcoin's going to crab the whole stream, guys. I mean, that's the way the cookie crumbles. That's the way the cookie crumbles. Let's see. Let's see. Don't get demonetized. No, I know what I can say and not saying it. I get demonetized, man. I'm pretty good at that. All right, Mamba said sand. Let's check out sand. Sandbox. The old little sandbox. Let's see on sand. I actually talked about sand on George's video today. It actually played out kind of just like I was saying. We had this like upwards trending support originally. It broke to the downside, and what we're watching for is the swing high, the swing low to swing high. You know, we thought that if this 0.5 fib broke, which where we were earlier today, broke, we probably would come back down to the 618. We didn't quite reach the 618, but we got slightly harder. Slightly harder. What's going on, man? Yeah, we went slightly high. We wicked slightly higher than that. So, you know, that kind of played out. Are you going to come a little bit lower? Depends on what Bitcoin does, but it's looking a little iffy. But you could still come back down and test the 618 at 552. There's some previous highs there, so that makes a lot of sense in the scenario that you do come a little bit lower, or maybe Bitcoin comes a little bit lower. The bullish scenario is that if you can get back in here, I mean, that's all you can ask for in that scenario, right? On sand. Zayad said, "You're the man, Jordan. I appreciate you. I appreciate you, Zayad. Hope you're doing good, man. You know, not the best day in crypto world today. I mean, you could argue that it is, right? You're getting some good dip buying opportunities. Your Bitcoin's just kind of even more resetting these indicators, man. I mean, it's setting us up for a move to the upside at some point, right? It's setting us up. So you could argue either way. Is there hidden bullish divergence on Matic on the 4 hour? Matic's been pumping, so I'm gonna assume that there's not hidden bullish divergence. Yeah, I mean, it's been pumping. So I usually after a pump, there's not gonna be bullish divergence. There's nothing there. Yeah, there's nothing really there in the 4 hour that I see. Nothing really there. I mean, you've already been pumping. Maybe on the 1 hour. Yeah, not really. You've already been pumping. You got 228. Ultimately, you got these wicks up here, but there's not much left for Matic, right? I mean, there's not much left. I mean, there's 1 wick, there's 2 wicks, 3 wicks, but there's really nothing huge besides probably just the daily close, the all-time high daily close at 243 is ultimately the biggest thing you're watching right now. Jeremy said, "Just another day in crypto. Look forward to you on George's channel tonight. Happy birthday, brother." Thank you, man. How old are we today, guys? You guys remember how old I am today? Let me know in the chat how old I am today. I forget. I don't think anyone remembers. I don't even think my mom remembers. She doesn't love me too much. Crap. I forgot it was Jordan's birthday today. I was too busy arguing with all the managers today. Crap. I knew I should have got Jordan a birthday card at Target instead of arguing with the Target manager. Crap, man. How old is he? Oh, this is not good. He's gonna... Oh, no. This is not good. I keep forgetting. Freaking Target manager just pissed me off. But yeah, my mom doesn't remember my birthday, which is pretty sad. It's pretty sad. What's up, Zayed? Well, I did it 3 times now, brother. 3 times, man. Speak to manager with Karen. 35, 69, 69.
Jordan, prefer having a good
I'm gonna get attacked.
with all the red people.
Oh no! Here she comes. Here she comes. No, Mom! Here she comes. No, Mom! Get down, Jordan. Get down. Get down right now. No, no! I can't do it, bro. I can't do it. I have too much fun on here, man. I got too much fun on here. Oh, man. Oh, man. All right. Please don't mention buy the dip. Buy the dip. Everyone says buy the dip. Buy the mother dip. Here, Ma. All right, let's see. You're 12? I am, Denise. Whales are now setting bear traps on log charts. Are they? Here he is. Here comes the whale buying the dip again. Fear and greed discounts. We'll check out the fear and greed discounts too. Check it out too.
Jordan got that in the end.
Spanking on it. And the green dildo said spanking on his birthday. We checked out RMRK, I think a little bit ago, man. RMRK, we checked that out a little bit while ago. GTG. Is CKB on your radar? Partner with Ada seems like promising alt. Not really on my radar, to be honest, but we can check it out, man. You know, we can check it out. What is it? CKB? CKB. Man, bro.
I watched you up this part is new, but the same right now. Percent API day long region. Oh, when
Man, bro. All right. Anyways, what are we looking at CKB? I mean, the bearish divergence already played out on this. So you had higher highs, you had lower highs, so that was kind of obvious. You were going to get some type of pullback. You got it. All right, you got it. Let's take it at the upwards trend line. Upwards trend. I mean, you got a long-term upwards trend line coming in here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Are you going to come back down and test it again? If it's anything like the previous times, yeah.
my bear to buy a new one.
Sir Dude lost his bear suit? Sir Dude, you can get a bear suit. Here's the thing. You can get the bear suit at... Oh, crap, I can search it for you. Hold on one second. Where can you get the bear suit? Looks like there's one at Walmart. Maybe there's one at TJ Maxx. No. Marsh. Yeah, maybe there's one at TJ Maxx. Let me call Melissa. Hold on. Hey, Melissa. Hey, what's going on? Do you guys have any bear suits over there? Oh, what do you mean? You bought the last one today? Why did you buy the last bear suit? Okay, I did not need to know that. You're bringing it over for Jabba tonight? I don't need to know why you're doing that. Okay, do you know anywhere where we can get some I can get some bear suits for some of my guys over here? No? Okay. All right. Well, I guess I'll see you later. Hey, don't wear the bear suit over here. Thank you, Melissa. Bye. All right. All right. Melissa, apparently she bought the last bear suit. So for I don't even want to know what's going on with that, but there we go. We also now setting bear traps. All right, CKB. I mean, every single time you come back down and test this, it ends up being some type of bounce area. And the daily EMA ribbon. No, but every time you come down to bounce this, I mean, bounce. It's also off the daily EMA ribbon, which happens to sit right at that support again. So your hope here is that ends up being some type of reversal point here, but some type of reversal point here. But let's see what happens, man. It's been your support since all the way down here in October, so I got to assume that continues to hold until there's any evidence that it's not going to hold, right? Yeah, I mean, Nothing really there in the short-term time frames. Yeah, nothing really there. So I'm going to assume that maybe you just come back down and test it again. If Bitcoin's look a little iffy, come down to like 2.6 and get a bounce. I'm going to assume that's what happened at this point, man. Crypto is a legend. Who's talking crap about Crypto, man? Who's talking crap about Crypto in the chat? That's ridiculous, okay? That's ridiculous. All right? How could we do that? All right? I don't even know if I have Crypto. I don't have Crypto. Who's talking crap about Crypto? I am upset. Ingress. What's going on, Ingress? Oh, Jordan, what the heck is wrong with you? What the heck is Jordan? All right, let's let's take a look at auction. You guys are gonna make me laugh in the chat, man. I know you guys are gonna make me laugh in the chat. Don't do it. Don't do it. I know you guys are gonna make me laugh in the chat. So I'm purposely not gonna look at the chat. All right, so auction. What's going on here, man?
New Kid Rock video? I'm assuming it's 5 new anthems.
All right, and it's not really much here for auction. Auction. It's a little bit too early, man. It's a little bit too early. Yeah, I think what you're watching for here is to get over this previous high, off this previous high, swing high, right? Swing low, and then retested the previous high, right? So yeah, let's see what happens, right? Let's see what happens. I think this is the one area we should watch here for auction. If we take swing high to swing low, it's kind of right at where the 0.5 fib is. This isn't really respecting the fibs. It's too early to really say on this Ingress. Too early to say. And then ETC is ETC. I don't get that joke. Can someone explain that to me in the chat? I don't get the joke. I totally missed the whole spit on the chest thing. I totally missed what that is, man. Can someone explain that to me, like in a very simple way? Because I can't say I understand what's going on with that. I totally missed the joke, and I feel left out. You know, I feel alone. I feel very alone, guys. I feel left out. I feel like no one likes me because no one will tell me what's going on with that joke. So if someone can explain it to me, that would be great. Man, ETC. ET sizzle. It's not really sizzling. Let's say that. So we always looked at this like this. You're coming back down to test the support again. Will this hold? It broke to the upside here and it came right back in. ETC is just a stable coin at this point, man.
That's an ethereum stablecoin. That's an ethereum stablecoin.
He always says they were spitting on us. Now who's laughing? Oh, that's what he says. He said people were laughing him and laughing so hard they were spitting at him. You're so stupid. You're so stupid. You're so stupid, Crypto. You have no idea what you're talking about. That's what I'm picturing right now. But yeah, ETC is a stable coin. We gotta hope it breaks this at some point. I am not gonna make any crazy calls here, just because this thing does what it wants. So I would say that this previous low, let's hold this. Let's hold this. Let's not spin in anyone's chest. BTC. That's what she said. But yeah. Let's say this holds. If this doesn't hold, you're probably going to get at least a move back down to this next wick at about 37.50, possibly on ETC. So, at the ETC. Does CTXC still have room to pump? I wrote it up today. Also, did we take a look at sand? Just got back. We did look at sand a little while ago. Sand's looking fine. I mean, it's bouncing off a level it should. But yeah, CTXC Vortex or CTX. You rode this up today, man. That's what she said. That's what she said. Holy crap. She definitely rolled this up today. So yeah, swing high to swing low. Excuse me, guys. I got a frog in my throat. I got a frog in my throat. Not a peanut. Remember you guys used to make fun of me when I used to choke on peanuts on stream? You guys ever eat a peanut and then like it gets like stuck in your throat and then you ever eat a peanut, it gets stuck in your throat, and then you keep sort of you keep choke on it, like you keep choking on it ridiculously. Yeah, I mean that used to happen to me all the time. You guys are probably like, no, it's never happened to me, Jordan. I never choked on a peanut. I totally understand. If it happened to you, I totally understand. Totally understand. Does this have room to run up? I mean, you went up to a 94 in the daily RSI. I doubt it. Highly doubt it. You're probably going to pull back. The 4 hours pulled back already. But you're probably going to have a little bit more room to pull back here after a massive run here. Absolutely massive. You're coming to the 0.5. I'd say the daily's still a little bit ridiculous. I would say coming back down to the 618 probably makes more sense. Though the 0.5 actually, you could also come back down to just your highs too. I would look at these two levels as possible levels to watch. 73 and 65 cents as possible retrace areas. Right, the previous high and the 618 fib. I'd look for those two levels. Oh, you said peanut? Fear and Greed's at 25? No, it isn't, man. Let's see. Oh, wow. New ad today. Bone broth. That sounds disgusting. What is that? I promise you guys, I did not search this. What is bone broth? Some type of tea? 168 bucks for that crap? I can tell you right now.
Nope.
That store is going to be sitting like this for a while. And then the Fear and Greed's at a 25. People are scared. People are scared. We got some good clothes here too if you want to check them out. But yeah, I mean, the Fear and Greed is scared. Like, why? People are freaking out again, man. People are freaking out. We got Bob in his basement doing it again. Mom! I think I'm going to sell all my crypto. All my Shiba and all my Doge. Bitcoin looks like crap. Bitcoin's looking saggy. ETH is looking saggy. There's a monster in my closet, and its name's Bitcoin. Mom, help! It's coming. The bear's coming. It looks like Savvy. It looks like Savvy. It's big and hairy. No. All right. All right. Anyways. We'll get off that. All right. Anyways. Hey, Jordan, hope you're having a good Friday with all the red Ditos today. Would you be able to check out FTM and CSDSI, or you could just pick one of the two? Sure, man. I got you. Savvy's looking for you, bro. I can picture Savvy just chilling in the closet, like trying to scare people. I can picture Savvy as one of like the Monsters Inc. characters. Get you? Not him going through the portal and trying to scare kids. I can see Savvy doing that. He pops out of the closet. Elliot Wave. Elliot Wave. Anyways, FTM. Let's take a look at FTM. FTM. What's going down in FTM land? Tala said, this guy, not funny though. Tala, your photo is, I can't even see what your photo is, bro. You know? Maybe you should work on a better photo in your Google account so that I can actually see it and make fun of you before you want to come on my stream and say those words, man. Okay? So Tala, if you want to come up here, come on my stream. Show us how funny you are. Tala, you want to come on stream? Show us your comedic skills? Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Come on stream. You're invited on my stream, Tala. Come show me your comedic skills. Because I guarantee you have none. Okay? Come on. Come on, Tala. I'm waiting. I'm waiting, Tala. That's what I thought. That's what I thought, Tala. All right. All right. FTM. Let's see what's going down. So if we're coming down like this and we're coming down, Tala's really not doing much. I would say I call it FTM Tala. Tala's the new Didi. Tala's the new Didi. Boss, welcome trolls. Hey, I like calling out the trolls. It's fun to me. I love the trolls, man. I always say, mods, don't ban the trolls. I love when they troll. It's funny. I think it's funny. But yeah, so low, high. Are you gonna come back down and test the bottom again? I mean, that's what you've done every single time. Not really any type of divergence here. Bitcoin got Jordan pissed tonight. I'm not pissed at all. I'm actually in a great mood. I'm in a great mood. I'm just sort of picking on Tala. I'm picking on Tala a little bit. Anyways. No bullish div. I mean, actually, there's slight bullish div there. Is it enough to get the juice back to the upside? Well, I mean, that remains to be seen, I think. Yeah, I mean, it's just not enough there. Not enough there. The hourly is a little low. The hourly could come a little bit lower, but yeah, I mean, if the hourly went lower, you wouldn't have bullish div. I don't know. This is looking, it's probably going to depend on BTC, but this is looking a little bit, just looking at the hourly, you could come a little bit lower here, but I don't know if you can get too much lower without some type of retracement. I mean, I'd look at, if you were to come lower right here, this previous low, 196. And then, like, if you really dumped, I guess, I mean, maybe down to like 181, but I don't see you go much lower than that without some type of retracement first. At least back up slightly. But ultimately, like, in the grand scheme of things, you are just in some type of downwards channel. So eventually you expect that to break to the upside at some point. At some point.
What do you think about Luna?
No volume? Yeah, there's no volume, sir, dude. No volume. No volume. Ben wants me to make... Ben, I see what you did there. Ben said, not funny at all. What do you think of MetaHero? He got me to check out his... Ben, I'm going to check out MetaHero just for you, man. That was genius. I got to give it to you, bro. That's pretty good. Tala, don't see... Didi Tala? We got to set up Didi and Tala. Didi and Tala would be a great pair. Didi, if you're in here, you found your match. Didi and Tala. Sitting in a tree. Kissing. Didi and Tala. And CTSI, I got you. CTSI. Let's see. The daily. Man, CTSI is doing some sketchy stuff here in the daily. Pretty sketchy. It's pretty sketch. It's pretty sus, as we would say. Pretty sus. Slightly sus. You know, if we look at CTSI, you know, bounce. You're bouncing it. You're just bouncing that stuff. But yeah, all the way up, right? I mean, support all the way up. Now, if you're looking at this from this standpoint, I mean, you're really just going sideways. If we can zoom in here a little bit. I mean, you're really just going sideways here for the most part. I mean, you're really not doing it. You know what type of pattern here. I mean, up, 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 down, 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 up, 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 down, 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 down. Right? I mean, look at this. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. You gonna come down again? You are coming down again. I think you want to bounce off this trend line, though. You bounce off this trend line a million freaking times. You break this trend line, which is about, right now, at about 97 cents. You're probably coming back down to 91.50, ultimately, here. Where is my EMA Rebone? EMA Rebone. Yeah, looking like you're going to break that 4-hour EMA ribbon. The daily EMA ribbon is sitting right at that support line, too. So let's see if you can bounce. You bounced off this multiple times in the past. Let's see if you can get that bounce again right off that support line, like we just said. That's what I'd look for CTSI. Clapping and bouncing. That's all I left the chat. Work that bounce, baby. We don't even have a sister. That chat name is stupid. Jabba's in the chat. What's going on, Jabba? We got Jabba in the chat, boys. Let's go.
Strap up. We're going to the moon.
We got Jabba in the chat. Let's go. That's funny. You look like a good curry, right? Oh, you like a good curry, right? What about chicken tikka masala? I see what you did there. Chicken tikka masala, though, that's my favorite dish. If I'm getting Indian food, it's chicken tikka masala all day. Second would be the lamb vindaloo. Third would be probably be the curry. But some chicken tikka. Oh, ladies, you ever want my heart? Surprise me with some chicken tikka. You want to get my heart? Show up to my place with some chicken tikka, and whoever's listening right now, show up to my place with some chicken tikka, and I will fall in love instantly. Okay, that's all you gotta do. That's all you gotta do. I'm a very simple man. Yeah, very simple man. You know my chart. Jordan, got that Viking DNA. He is actually 13. I am 13. I got a beard. I got a beard at 13. Got a beard at 13. And a couple giant samosas. Yeah, that too. That too. Grant said, I watched you a lot this year and appreciate you. Thank you, Grant. That's really nice of you, man. I appreciate the kind words. The chart is too new, but look at Rug, fam. It's insane right now. It's insane right now. Maya loves it too. Wow. Of course she does. Why wouldn't she? The chart is too new, but look at Rug Farm. It's insane, but now absolutely a rug. Absolutely a rug. But 50% APR every day. Frog Nation degens always lose. I mean win. I mean. Wow. That was a lot of words there, Grant. Grant, that was a lot of words, man. I have no idea what's going on. Rug. All right, we'll check out Rug. We'll check out Rug. RUG. Rug Pull? Why did you invest in Rug Pull? Or Rug Farm? It's not even on this. Hold on. Hashtag Rug. What the heck? Some of these coins, man. Why would you ever invest in Pull the Rug? Why would you ever invest in Rug Pull? Why would you do it? I don't even. I'm gonna skip this one, man. I don't know what's going on here. I have no idea what's going on. Of course, Rug is a rug. Like, of course, Rug is a freaking rug. Like, bro, that's like. That's like freaking. That's like something Bob would say. You know what I mean? Wait, a rug is a rug? I never would have thought. Holy crap, Mom! I just learned that a rug is a rug. Holy crap! I would have never known. Thank you, man, in the chat. Holy crap, man. I lost my bear suit. Well, we called Melissa. She doesn't know. We're gonna have to find you a bear suit. We're gonna have to find you a bear suit. How many guys have your bear suits on right now? I don't know. How many guys have your bear suits? You know? I don't have mine on right now. I keep mine in the corner over there just in case I need to grab it real quick. But I am not wearing it right now. The bear suit does not fit the time, in my personal opinion. All right, we're good to go. I don't know. You guys have your bear suits? We getting rugged? Hope he's a hope he's a troll. Melissa's on her way over. She is. She is. I think she's almost here. Steven said, have no fear, Steve is here. I love it. Smash those likes, become a member today for exclusive perks. Congrats on the George stream. Could you look at Ada? I've got no fingernails left, chewing on nums over here. You can look at Ada, man. I mean, everything's dropping right now, so it's not like it's just Ada, right? I mean, it's not like it's just Ada, as we know, right? But we've heard this over and over. Like, Jordan, stop. Don't sugarcoat it. Just tell us how bad Ada looks. Ada will look really bad, in my opinion, if we break these highs right here. I think Ada won't look great. As far as a structure, it still looks fine. You got all these previous peaks that you're trying to hold as support right now. If those break, I mean, I don't really know where we would go after that. I mean, we could look at. There's just a lot of price action here. You know what I mean? So swing high to swing low to swing high. Yeah, I mean that's your 786 fib too. So I would say, you know, if we're just looking at some of this price action here, I would say you probably get some support right at like 138. Just looking at some previous support and resistance areas. But yeah, I mean that's what I would say. I mean 138 would be pretty good. Would be pretty good as far as a support if 150 breaks. You don't want to break 150. You know, the hope here is that this just ends up being a W reversal too, or just a double bottom W reversal. That's the ultimate hope here for Cardano, but we got to see. We got to wait and see. Cardano's being we don't remember we used to say Cardano's being a slug.
That's an Exodome stablecoin.
Now it's turned into.
Everybody panic, we're going to zero.
Real quick, right? We turned in from everyone panic going to zero just for a couple weeks ago saying Bitcoin's a slug, right? I mean, let's see what happens, but man, it's you got Cardano's definitely not looking great. If it breaks 150, I mean, as soon as Bitcoin's dropping too. Oh boy. I can't do it. All right. I can't watch myself do that. All right. Apparently Melissa's over. She's got the bear suit on. Melissa's got the bear suit on right now. She's going nuts. I don't want to know what's going on. But yeah, I mean, 53,161 right now. Bitcoin's coming down a little bit, but let's see. I mean, we've been here before, like we said. What was I drawing? That was the bullish div. Longest rug I've ever seen. Yeah. Oh man. Java forgot to place his short. Java's busy right now, man. Java's busy right now. No, I can't get that picture out of my head, bro. It's gonna be in me all night. That picture in my head is gonna be with me all night. Ah, man. That's too much. It's too much. You see the new Kid Rock video. I'm assuming it's Bob's new anthem. I have not seen it. I gotta check it out. I definitely gotta check it out, man. I definitely gotta check it out. What do you think about Luna? What do I think about Luna? I mean, Luna's been killing it. Luna, you got a big Luna. Let's see. And Luna, we'll adjust the lines like Savvy a little bit. I mean, you got a clear channel, right? Clear channel, down, up, down, up, down, up. Get a clear channel, right? No bearish divergence, though. It's just good. You made a higher high on the RSI. Perfect. What do you do now? I'm going to assume you have some on the 4 hour. No, you don't. You're probably just dumping because you hit that resistance and Bitcoin's dumping too. So Luna, I would say first level you definitely want to hold is this previous high at about $55. Probably where you're going to come back to them back test. If that doesn't hold, you're probably going to come back down to this $49 level, which is these previous highs back here. So I'd say those two levels are probably going to be retracement areas. 4 hour EMA ribbon. Let's check out the daily. Yeah, daily EMA ribbon's down at $49. So that could certainly be a scenario if that continues to dump because of BTC, obviously, is coming down a little bit. So you're right at the 236. You're right at your 236 retracement. Let's see if that holds. Nothing really there looking left. So I don't know if that's going to be a level that holds, but we'll see. We'll see. I love volatility. Hey, I'd rather Bitcoin move than not move, right? Would you guys rather see Bitcoin not move or move? Let me know in the chat. I gotta assume that it's gotta be it. But Sir Dude, I want to watch that Kid Rock video, man. It better be a good song. It better be a good song, Sir Dude. It better be a good song. Hood said, "My only regret is not having the money to buy even more Sol." Yeah, man, you always gotta have money to buy more Sol, man. You gotta have a soul. You gotta have a freaking soul. Selling it all. Tala told me all in on gold. Super bullish. Sir Dude's all in on gold, man. All in on gold. I heard everything dipped today besides gold and silver. I think I saw that in the chat actually earlier, which is interesting. I don't know if that's true or not, but that's what someone said in the chat. What does Nervos Network or Nervos CKB look like? We'll check out Nervos Blue Collar. We'll check out Nervos. Let's go check out Nervos real quick while we wait for Bitcoin to decide what it wants to do. Nervos. Looks like some alts are coming down. Yeah, I mean, a lot of alts are dumping right now because of BTC. Nervos, I would say, if we look at this from this standpoint of an upwards trending support, I mean, you could... Yeah. I mean, you're making higher lows, but it looks like that's breaking right as we speak. Yeah, look at that, man. You're smashing that right as you speak, right? Support, 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 support. You bounce back up. Now you're breaking that. Now you're breaking that to the downside right now. So let's see what happens here ultimately. But, I mean, if it's just a back test of the previous high, you're right at that right now. Looking like that might break. That breaks. Let's actually check out the fibs and see. Let's see swing low to swing high. Let's see. Yeah, so that would put you, 618 would put you at 2.69. I can't say 69. And I did it. Oh, here she comes again. You can't hurt me, Karen. But yeah. Then the 786 is down at 2.4. So 2.4, 2.7, two areas I look for in the 4 hour as possible retracements. Bitcoin's looking a little dippy, so obviously we got to keep that in mind. 1 hour has room to go down. We are building some bullish divergence if this can bounce here. I don't know. Depends what Bitcoin does here, honestly. Bitcoin dumps, all these alts are going to come down to. I mean, we know how it is, guys. We know how it is. I got you, Uvire, on dot. I got you on dot. No Name said 69 is my favorite number. I mean, I won't say no. I won't say no. I don't know if it's my favorite number. I actually won't state my favorite number. I will not state my favorite number. My true favorite number. You know? Alright, 274 or 278 on Bitcoin. We're coming up here. We're trying to bounce off that 236 again. Initially. How low can DOT fall? DOT could fall, Uvire. DOT's coming down, down, down in Goblin Town, isn't it? Here comes DOT. All right, let's zoom out on DOT here. What could we be looking at? Let's take this low. Yeah, let's take this low to this high. See what we got. So yeah, we're coming up on that 7.8. We're already coming up on the 7.86, right? So you bounce off this once. Your hope here is this is going to be a double bottom W reversal, right? So you want to hold the 7.86. You definitely want to hold the 7.86. If you don't, there's other areas you can bounce from. I actually want to take this swing low to this swing high and see if there's anything as well. Any type of confluence here. Yeah, the 0.5 and the 0.786 are both right here in this area. So there's a lot of confluence right in this general area here for some support. If that breaks, I mean this actually kind of works. It's could be, yeah, I mean the 618 down at 27. That's if Bitcoin really dumps though. But you guys can see there's a lot of confluence here at fibs right at this general area between 32 and yeah, right around 32 bucks. 32 bucks is a lot of confluence there to support. So let's see if that holds. But yeah, it's going to depend on Captain BTC, as we would always say. Uvire said, "Thank you, Jordan. I like crypto. I like crypto too, right? I like crypto too. You know, I love crypto. Crypto's my bae, man. Crypto is my bae, right? If I had a bae, it would be crypto. You know, it would be crypto, at least right now. Soul. You can check out Soul. A lot of people like Soul. Where's Captain Soul here? Down to 204. Soul's actually holding up relatively nice here. Soul's actually holding up pretty nice. You know, in theory, it's down. I guess it's down 16% in the last 2 days. I guess I shouldn't say it's holding up nice, but let's see. On Soul. Let's take this swing low to this swing high. So we're coming to the three. We're right at the three. Actually, right at the 382 as we speak. Right at the 382. So you definitely want to hold this on the daily close. Let's actually go to the 4 hour. The 4 hour is breaking that. So here's the thing: if that breaks, which would correlate with Bitcoin breaking down too, you're probably going to come back down to test the 0.5 fib, which is down at like 187 on Solana, man. On Solana. And then we'd probably all be sitting here, like, you guys know how I used to be salty about Solana? Now we'd all be probably sitting here and we'd all be salty. Solana, go back up. I'm salty. I'm salty. Get it? I'm salty. For anyone that doesn't get it. Salty, right? Solana, T, Sol, T. I feel like I had to explain it to some people. Yeah, we'd all be salty in that instance. So let's hope it doesn't go to 188, unless you want some more cheap, some cheap Solana, quote unquote cheap Solana. You know, it's all relative depending on whatever you think that the relative term cheap is. But yeah, I mean 188 would be the next target there if that was to drop. We're watching Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin will tell us what's coming next here. Bitcoin will tell us. It'll tell us all. Sitting right at 53,000. Our wedgie is coming up. Support line's coming up. I just don't know how much lower we go, man. I mean, the hourly's chalked, right? The hourly's chalked. The 4 hours getting chalked, right? I don't know how much lower we go without a retrace, man. We could certainly go lower just because the 4 hour is not completely chalked, but the 4 hours getting there. The hourly's already there. I mean, I guess it technically can come lower. The daily still has more room to run down too, but the daily's almost there too. 53.57. All right, here comes Bitcoin. 53,000. 52. Breaking 53K, guys. We're breaking 53K. All right, time to hang it up, boys. It was good streaming for you, but I gotta start working night shifts again. I'll see you guys later. Gonna start working night shifts again. 52,886. We're coming down. All right. So the fibs are
Rant alert.
I didn't mean to press that. The fibs are coming down. 52,864. Yeah, we're coming down. Looks like we just broke previous high. I'd probably watch the daily here. This is probably gonna be what we want to watch here. Is the daily. Let's see what Bitcoin does here. The daily. The daily. Let's see if it comes back down. It tests the bottom of the wedge or this trend line again. If it wants to. I'm not sure if it wants to. Like I said, the 4 hourly and the 4 hour are getting pretty chalked here, as we would call it. I feel nothing. 52.5 has been in my head all week. Has it really? Like your baseball cap? You like my baseball cap, huh? Pretty nice baseball cap. Pretty nice, bro. 53.64. Bear market in. About to die. I'm gonna make an OnlyFans. Oh, man. Guys, I always ask this question. If guys can do an OnlyFans, would you start one? Like, if girls actually were willing to pay for your OnlyFans, would you do it? Yes or no in the chat. This is for the guys out there. This is for the guys out there. If girls were willing to pay for your OnlyFans, okay, would you start an OnlyFans? Yes or no? You can tell how many people are new to crypto. Oh, facts, bro. There's a lot of people new to crypto. A lot of people. I mean, let's be honest. Like, we've all been new to crypto before. We've all been panicked on these dips. Like, we've all been there. I've been there where I have panic sold a dip. I've panic sold this dip or that dip or you know, whatever, bro. I panic sold a bunch of dips. A bunch of dips. You know what I mean? Like, it is what it is, bro. Everyone panic sells. I'll always say, guys, everyone panic sells, man. That's always been the name of the game, bro. I wouldn't be watching your streams right now. That's true. It's a month-long dip. It actually has been a month-long dip, hasn't it? Actually, yeah. We've been dipping for 26 days. Or actually 24 days, I should say. 24 days we've been dipping. We've been dipping for 24 days. All right. Bitcoin bouncing back up here. Trying to bounce back up. I mean, keyword is always try, right? 4 hour just pretty much exactly tested the September high that you asked for earlier. There we go. Tested exactly the September high. Yeah, it did. It went slightly below. And this one back here tested it actually perfectly. It went slightly below. Maybe, I mean, this was... That 4-hour one tested it, yeah. This new 4-hour wick tested that previous September high from back here. That is true. That is definitely true. I'm bullish on Java. BTC does not do what it wants people do. That's true. You guys are spitting facts in the chat right now. You guys are spitting facts. Everyone's panicking right now, right?
Everybody panic, we're going to 0. I'm gonna buy the top and I'm gonna sell the bottom, guys. I'm gonna buy the top and I'm gonna sell the bottom, guys.
How many of you guys are this guy in the chat right now?
I'm gonna buy the top and I'm gonna sell the bottom, guys.
There's probably a lot of people who will do it. My shoe. I'd probably look stupid. Hell yeah. You're damn right. All you guys said, most of you guys said yes on the OnlyFans thing. I would do an OnlyFans. Like, guys, if girls were willing to pay for my OnlyFans, I would 100% do it. That would be awesome. You wouldn't have to do crap all day. You sit. Oh, you want a feet pic? Sure. $50. 50. Let me take a picture of my feet. All right, cool. $50, bro. $50. I think Jabba has an OnlyFans. Let's go ask him real quick. Oh. Yeah, I have an OnlyFans. I have an OnlyFans. People love my stomach. People love my stomach. It reminds me of, like, literally Jabba the Hutt. I have one. I charge $75 for a stomach pic. $75. Yeah, Java has one. VVS. Do it, Jordan. Really said I'll do a lonely fans. They can pay you in spank coin. That's true. I don't trust crypto banter. I actually, to be honest, I've actually never watched crypto banter. I've never watched crypto banter. Obviously, he's a pretty big channel, but I personally never watched crypto banter. Never, never, never. Never have I ever watched crypto banter. All right, Bitcoin's coming down to Goblin Town. What are we doing next? B-Pro? B-Pro, B-Pro, B-Pro. Jordan, what if guys were willing to pay for your OnlyFans? No. No, 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 no. No, no, no. That's a fat no for me, boy. 52,930. Let's go. Let's go. We're going to Goblin Town. It's the end of the world. It's the end of the world. Man, the sweet, sweet sorrows of Bitcoin dumping. I mean, I guess I think we're all panicking right now. My fingernails are so small. I don't, I talk about the weirdest stuff, bro. I don't understand how I can sit up here and just talk for 2.5 hours straight about random stuff. But dude, I don't bite my fingernails. I don't understand like people that like actually bite their fingernails, like to the point where they're so short. I don't understand it. I guess it's just habit, which I understand. Like everyone has their little habits, right? But I don't understand it. All right, 52,870. We're going down, boys. We're going down with the ship. We're going down. Just like she said, I don't go down with this ship. Right? We don't go down with the ship. Let's see. What do we got here? Let's all right, it's time, boys. It's time. I've joined the dark side. I've joined the dark side. 52,789. BTC only wants strong hands.
Let's go make some paper mache.
You're telling me what BTC doesn't want any paper hands?
Let's go make some paper mache. Let's go make some paper mache.
I'm applying for McDonald's. Bob, we're all applying for McDonald's, man. I'm applying for McDonald's. Bob's applying for McDonald's. Jabba's going to want a job there, too. The problem with Jabba is he can't move, so he might just have to sit in a chair at the cash register. Jabba would be a pretty good cashier, though. Could you imagine Jabba as a cashier? I can imagine Jabba as a cashier. Hey, guys! Welcome to McDonald's! What can I get you today? What can I get you today? I said, what can I get you today? Oh, you're looking at the menu? Oh, sorry. Sorry, you're looking at the menu. Take your time. Take your time. Anyways, I shorted Bitcoin today. I thought I'd let you know. Guys. Oh, you don't care? Oh, okay. That's fine. I just thought I'd let you know. I love shorting Bitcoin. Okay, so you want a double cheeseburger? Okay. Do you want ketchup on that? Do you want pickles on that? Do you want onions on that? Do you want lettuce on that? Do you want a bun? You would be the most annoying cash. You'd be the most annoying cash register guy. All right, Bitcoin's coming down. 82.7. Can I submit my resume? You can. I don't know if my boss is gonna hire you. We'll have to figure it out in a second. Jabba's mouth smells worse than a dumpster out back. God. We don't want to know what Jabba's mouth smells, man. All right, we're coming back down to the bottom of the wedge again. Will it hold? Will we hold the line? Or will we break the line? That is the question. Will we see some giant wick? Will we see a giant wick down to the dumps? Or will we not see a giant wick down to the dumps? That is the question. Looking left. Not a lot there, man. Straight up, straight down. Straight down. Straight up. There's not a lot of price action here. You know what I mean? So it's tough to say. Not a lot of price action. Break the line. I doubt Jabba brushes his teeth. Yeah, me too. Me too. We want sad song. If we break the line, we'll play the sad song. Just like the pump. If we break the line, we'll play the pump song. If we break the line, we'll play the sad song. I'm not looking forward to it if it does happen, man. I'm not looking forward to it. I mean, let's see, man. Go back to this one. Sad song. Jory, could please play the Bank of Canada? I can do that.
Basically, Bitcoin is clearly a scam. Cryptocurrency is clearly an idiot with no common sense. And scientifically speaking, according to a study at the Bank of Canada, more people who are financially illiterate invest in Bitcoin.
Tell George to change his YouTube thumbnails. I don't know if I have the authority to do so, but I don't know, man. I mean, my thumbnails aren't great either. I mean, my thumbnails are pretty basic. I try to keep them pretty basic, you know? I try to keep them pretty basic, but we'll see. All right, let's hit up the like button, guys. I know we're having a bad day in crypto, but let's hit up the like button. Let's get up over 1,000 likes. Let's get more people in here as Bitcoin is dumping. Usually when more people come in, when Bitcoin's dumping. So smash that like button if you're in here already. Let's get up over 1,000 likes right away. Helps out the channel. And I definitely appreciate it, guys. That's the way we roll here, right? That's the way the cookie crumbles. 52.7. Wow, Mana's getting killed, bro. Mana's down like 11%. All right. We're coming up on it, boys. ETH would have to break 4K floor to go lower. Yeah. ETH is holding up pretty well here. ETH is holding up pretty well. Mana's getting killed though. Mana's down. Let's see where Mana is. It might have even broken the level I was talking about in Georgia's stream. It did, bro. I was talking about this one right here at like 402. And that one got smashed. Absolutely Hulk smashed to the downside. Actually, maybe I wasn't. Maybe I was talking about... Oh, no. Yeah, that's perfect. I was actually talking about the 618. Down at 365. And that's exactly where Mana came back down to. That's exactly where Mana came back down to. Well, for now. I don't know if it's going to go any lower, but... Right to the 618, which was nice. All right, Bitcoin's holding it for now, boys. We're holding it for now. For now. See what happens, though. Can you check out Matic? Yeah, Matic's pulling back. I mean, Matic had a pretty big run the last few days, so that's why Matic's pulling back a little bit more than the other ones. Yeah, Matic's back down to 212. It is fine. Which is fine, you know. I would say that... Which one I keep holding for Matic? I would want to close above the previous daily high at like 213.6. I want to close above that. I mean, if we can retrace a little bit and get the daily close by tomorrow above that, that would definitely be more preferable for me. Definitely more preferable. The Bulls and Bears are working together. Facts. High probability that Bitcoin doesn't drop below 50.7 based on my model, said VZH. Let's see, man. Let's see. 50.7 would put you right about here. Yeah. Jordan, please give us some financial advice. We're still in our wedge, man. We're still in our wedge. Until the wedge breaks on a daily close, I'm not too freaked out. Right? And same thing is until we break this upwards trending support, I'm not too freaked out. And even if we do break those, I'm still not going to be too freaked out personally. I mean, that's just the way I roll. I don't get too freaked out over this stuff. We're going to look at this too. I would say that if Bitcoin did break those two levels, I would look at, I mean, the 618 right around 50.8 would be a level I'd watch for too. From the previous swing low to the previous swing high. About 50.8. And then the 0.65 could also be a level right around 50,000. So I'd say between 50,000 and 50,800. If those levels broke, right? But we'll see if they break first, right? And then we'll kind of go from there. But we're still in a wedge, man. We're still in a wedge. I'm not too freaked out. Think Crypto is freaked out? Crypto is always freaked out, bro. He's always like, I'm selling all my crypto. You'll never believe this next move for Bitcoin. Bitcoin's about to do something we have never seen before. Yeah. I know, a bunch of like random titles and stuff. What do you guys think, Carl? What do you guys think Carl's video is going to be? What do you think Carl's video is going to be? I can tell you right now what Carl's video is going to be. This will be Carl's video. Welcome to the moon. All right, so my $1 million short position, is currently in $1.2 million worth in profit. Okay, I had a 50x leverage on my Bybit. All right, if you guys want to go trade, make sure you guys go check out my Bybit link. Links in the description. Go check out my Bybit link. But my $1 million short is now in $1.2 million worth of profits. Okay, exactly as I predicted. I gave you guys two outcomes, upside and downside. It went down, so it did exactly as I predicted. Okay, if you guys want to trade just like me, okay, make sure you guys go check out my Bybit link. My Bybit link right down below. You guys can also check out my Phoenix and my Prime XBT link right down below. I promise I won't mention it again during this video. Let's do some more TA. So it looks like Bitcoin is coming back down to this trend line, and it just bounced off this trend line. Okay, one more time. Make sure you guys go check out my Bybit link right down below. You guys get a $4,100 bonus if you guys sign up right now. Make sure you guys go check out my Bybit link right down below. This is the quick 3-minute video. I offered absolutely no insightful analysis. Carl, shut the heck up. We know you like Bybit. We know you like trading. Okay? Give us something other than exactly as I predicted, Carl. We know everything's exactly as you freaking predict, Carl. All right. Anyways, back on the 53, back up to 53,000. Or we're still sitting at 53,000. 5 minutes. Did you see Sunny Decrease troll video? I did not, man. I did not see that. Hey, Carl, do you have Bybit? Check out the moon cycles. Costa. Let's see. I forgot what link he was talking about already. Oh, man. All right. What time is it? 8:21. I gotta be out of here at 8:30, guys. I gotta be out of here at 8:30. Bitcoin is doing its thing. You guys can find me on I think you guys are gonna be able to find me on George's channel here. I think so, right? Keyword is I think so. As long as George doesn't cancel on me, because the video at this point, the video is kind of outdated. Unless he cancels on me. It should be up there. But yeah, 214. Matic's back above that previous high, so that's good on Matic. ETH is looking fine, right? ETH is actually holding up pretty damn well here, considering for ETH we just want to hold this previous high, in my opinion, the September high. Just want to hold 39.63. Until we do that, I mean, as long as we do that, I think all is good in crypto land for Ethereum. Bitcoin's just trying to bounce off the wedge again, at least for now. Crypto subscribers are wrecked on Bybit. Oh, Jace. Oh, Jace. Wrecked on Bybit. China about to ban Bitcoin again. Yeah, they're about to say, oh, China ban Bitcoin again. It's crazy, man. It's crazy. Girl, I can make you laugh. Jeez, bro. Jeez. How do we get to join Discord? I'll give you the link right now. I keep forgetting the link in the description is not working. But if you guys need the link, I'll put it in the chat for you right now. Discord link. There you go, guys. Right in the chat, right there. If you need the Discord link, not the Bybit link. That's also the description for it. I'm just kidding. The Discord link is right in the chat there. If you want to check it out. That's where we chat some cryptos. We chat some cryptos and talk about whales and stuff. We don't actually talk about whales. But I wanted to see a whale. So look at that whale. He's just so smooth. Look at him. And I wish I was a whale. One day we'll be whales, guys. One day we'll be whales. Come on, bro. How was Duncan Girl today? Duncan Girl is pretty good. Duncan Girl is pretty good. I think today. I think. I don't have any like you said yesterday, I don't have any glaze on my beard, so no glaze, no chocolate frosted. You know, there's really nothing on me, so I cannot say how she is today. You know? Cannot say. Can't do it. What the heck? What the heck? Holy shit, man. All right. Wow. That was an interesting text. Anyways. Wow. That sounds so wrong. Sadly, it will drop to 45K. Everyone's super negative in the chat, man. Everyone's super negative in the chat. If you're negative, raise your hand in the chat. Or if you're negative, just say something negative. I mean, if you're positive, give me a sun emoji in the chat. Give me a sun emoji if you are still positive right now. Yeah? Give me a sun emoji, right? To give us some sunshine on this day that's looking kind of crappy for crypto. Unless you're looking to get some deals, get some crypto deals. Monta Green's negative. Monta Green, I feel like you're always negative, man. I feel like you're always negative. Jack isn't very happy about it. Negative. I'm gonna pump to 45K. Denise is positive. Denise is always positive. Bootney's positive. All right. Waterfly is super. Bootney's super negative, says Waterfly. After she just said positive. All right. We're cooking it. I see Sunday being green. All right. That's cool. Today for the Bitcoin price. Today for the Bitcoin price. Oh man, I am weird. All right, guys, I gotta get off. I gotta get off. I gotta get dressed and do my thing, and yeah, I gotta get off. I don't want to get off, but I can't blow my plans. Okay, I can't do it. So I'm gonna get off. I'll catch you guys in. Catch you guys. Here's the thing. We'll probably have the member stream in the morning. I'm warning you right now, though. I'm gonna try to behave tonight. I'm gonna try my best to behave tonight. We know a couple of weeks ago I said the same thing, and we had to move it back to Sunday. I'm gonna try to behave tonight. In the case that I do not behave the way I think I'm gonna behave, which I don't know if I am. If I'm not gonna behave the way I want to, we might move it back to Sunday. But for now, we're gonna keep it tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll call it. We'll do 11. We'll do 11 a.m. a little bit later to give myself a little bit of leeway there. Okay, a little bit of leeway. But we'll do it tomorrow morning, and then obviously I'll see you guys tomorrow at 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I gotta change the graphic up top at 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We're gonna be doing the streams from now on. Other than that, I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Stay easy. Don't get too spooked by the Bitcoin price, right? I know Bitcoin's looking a little droopy right now. Let's see if the wedge holds. Let's be patient, right? Bitcoin has a way of making us be patient and making people be bored and making people scared and making you panic sell your crypto, all right? Catch you guys later. Like the stream before you go. Appreciate it very much. Check the links in the description. Trading, all that fun stuff. Twitter, Instagram, all that fun stuff. Go follow me over there. Catch you guys later. Have a good night. Have a good Friday. Peace.